Meet the Sikorsky S-97 RAIDER, a helicopter that breaks all the rules. Here's what makes it special. On top, you'll see two rotors spinning in opposite directions, stacked on top of each other. At the back, there's a propeller like an airplane. This unusual setup is the secret to its power. Here's how it works. Traditional helicopters have one main rotor on top. That design has limits on speed and agility. The Raider uses two counter-rotating rotors. They cancel each other out, so the helicopter stays stable without needing a tail rotor. That rear propeller, it pushes the aircraft forward, letting it fly almost twice as fast as regular helicopters. In this demonstration for the U.S. Army, the Raider races low over the airfield, making sharp turns and quick movements that would be impossible for conventional helicopters. It can hover like any helicopter, but then accelerate rapidly and maneuver like a fighter jet. The Army is looking at the Raider for future scout and attack missions. It combines the hovering ability of a helicopter with the speed and agility of a fixed-wing aircraft. It's not just flying, it's redefining what helicopters can do.